Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of PrestaShop Customer Mobile Email Verification. In this tutorial, I will show you how the store owner can validate the customer's authenticity registering on his store through SMS or email. Let's see how this extension works, and for that I am taking you to the admin's back office. Let's start with module configuration. The module configuration is basically divided into two parts: verification configuration and OTP configuration. From here, admin can select whether he wants email verification or mobile verification for his store. If admin has selected mobile verification here, then he can enable or disable the sending of OTP. If enabled, then admin has to specify the Twilio credentials for sending of OTPs through SMS. If admin has selected email verification here, then he can select the verification type as activation link or by OTP. If selected activation link, then admin can set the expiry time for the activation link here. Suppose admin has set 30 minutes here. If this field has been enabled, then email verification through activation link is required to log in. Now let's discuss the OTP configuration. From here, admin has to send the length of the OTP. Suppose admin has set 6 here. In this field, admin has to specify the message to be sent with the OTP. Here, admin can set the number of times a customer can request for OTP. And when a customer has entered the wrong OTP, then the display resend button will be displayed after the time set by admin here. After configuring the module settings, let's have a look at the front end. If admin has selected mobile verification and disabled OTP, then the customer has to enter his mobile number to complete the registration process. And if admin has enabled OTP, then a customer has to get his mobile number verified by sending OTP on his phone number. If admin has enabled email verification via OTP, then a customer has to get his email verified to complete the registration process. A customer can send OTP on the provided email address and enter the OTP received in an email here to complete the registration. If admin has enabled email verification via activation link, then an activation link is sent on the provided email address by clicking on which a customer can complete the registration process. In case email verification is required to log in, then a customer has to get his email verified each time he log in the store by sending an activation link to his email ID.